Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my March bullet journal setup. It's a little bit late this time around because I was a bit uninspired, wasn't really too sure what to do for March, but March is my favorite month of the year because it's my birthday month. Yay! I like doing these little shadow thingies with my hands. Ooh. Anyway, love the month of March. A lot of people that I love's birthdays in March. So it's a special month for me. And I think I got a little wrapped up in trying to do different themes every month. For the most part, I try to do a theme, but I really don't hold myself to a standard of following the theme all month long, because if you've seen my other videos, then you know I can't draw for nothing. So yeah, this month's theme is going to be a Disney theme because I'm going to Disney World for my birthday. I'm a grown-ass woman, yes, and I'm excited about going to Disney for the first time for my birthday. So yeah, I'm going to hand you guys off to the voice note, and here we go. Okay guys, let's get started. This month I think I'm going to try something different. I'm not going to talk the whole way through. I'm just gonna put some music on and you guys just watch, because sometimes I think my voice narrating everything kind of takes away from the therapeutic aspect of a plan with me. I don't know. You guys let me know below in the comments if you like when people talk through their plan with me, or if you just want to watch what the heck I'm doing and then I come on afterwards and tell you what the heck I did. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking. Music, music, music. Okay guys, so here is the final flip through of my March bullet journal setup. As you can see, I started with a quote, "The best is yet to come," and this mini here with a mini March calendar. Over here, I did a Disney planning page and just put a little vacation sticker. Here I have my important dates page. On this page, I have my habit tracker where I'll be tracking if I ate healthy, if I drank water, read a book, or worked out today. My budget tracker page, full March calendar page here, and then my March goals page, and then the start of week 1. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.